From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
All right, so this is a 416, the industry standard 416. And as you can hear when I say 416, it is quite a sibilant microphone. It's something that I'm sure most of you who have used a 416 have noticed. If you have a sibilant voice, the 416 will not make it any better. And a lot of that has to do with the fact that this is a microphone that was designed during the era of tape. So the high-end lift on this serves two purposes. It has a high-end lift because often it is used far away, like, above the talent. This is a boom mic. So it's used at a distance. So the high end helps bring back detail into your capture. And it also, if you use it inside of a blimp, it compensates for that. But also the high-end roll-off of tape when this was designed many decades ago. Not many, but like 3 decades ago. So yeah, when you use it up close for voiceover, as we voiceover people often do, you get kind of a sibilant capture. And this came up on the Discord server, so I thought I would offer you a little helpful tip to make it a little less sibilant so that your de-esser doesn't have to work so hard. Because if you use a 416 like this, you are probably very used to really having to dial in your de-esser. Again, 67, 68, it's very sibilant. So this is really simple. Now, I know some people say use the foam filter on there, and I don't really like the foam thing on there because I think it causes a little bit of a phase smear. I think you get I don't like the sound of it with the foam filter on it, quite honestly. So this is a really simple trick. So you have to remember that this microphone was designed to be, as a boom mic above you, pointed down on the top of your head. So if you're using a close-up, and again, I am really super close, and you can see it just pointed right here at the face hole, right here, right in my teeth. So all you got to do is lift it up, right, reposition it, and point it right here. The triangle of sadness right there. Point it right there. And 61, 62, 63. Yeah, she sells seashells by the seashore. It's a lot less sibilant. It's not 100% unsibilant, but it is at the point where your de-esser will easily manage this. Again, so here it is, 61, 62, 63. 61, 62, 63. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. And also the beauty of this is you can get it a little closer to you. Pointing right there. You can get a little closer to you, and you can talk underneath it. So if you're using a lot of, it'll help you not plosive the crap out of it. So people play poker in Poughkeepsie, right? I mean, this way you're talking underneath it. And again, it's pointed at the top of your head that your skull will resonate. The mask will resonate when you speak. So it's capturing really kind of a very nice, neutral, very natural capture of your voice, right up here when it's pointed right here in between your eyes, right there, triangle of sadness. So, again, so she sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore, right? So there you go. Just point it at your forehead, and you'll be a lot happier with the results you get from your 416. I guarantee it. All right. Let me know what you know. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you know. Let me know what you think in the comments. All right. Until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov, fading to black.